cat has got a beautiful mark up on his face. He's beautiful all over, but his face is absolutely gorgeous. Look at them little ears. You want more, pretty boy? Come here. Come here. Come here. Shy guy. Shy guy. Oh, look who's here. Look who's here. Little Callie girl. Give little Miss Callie some. And if that ain't enough, I'll go get another can. What are you backing up for? You're starting to enjoy it, ain't you, Mango? Getting full, pretty boy. It's a beautiful day the Lord has made, so let's be glad and rejoice within it. Loving on these beautiful, innocent creatures of God. They're blessings. They are absolute blessings from God. The definition of pure innocence. Every one of them is. What are you doing, Tangerine? You such a pretty boy. You letting your brother have all he can want? He says, yes, I am, Daddy. Everybody's being so well behaved. We've had absolutely no fussing, no fighting. Pretty boy's looking good. Mango says, I like the pets, Daddy. It's a beautiful day the Lord has made, so let's be glad and rejoice within it. What are you doing, gorgeous? What are you doing, gorgeous? You're Pretty girl. You're a pretty girl. Gorgeous says, I'm going to go over here and finish off Mango's food. What are you doing? What are you doing, pretty boy? What are you doing, pretty boy? She moved in on you, didn't she, pretty boy? She moved in on you, didn't she? Says, my lips kind of orange, Daddy, because that antibiotic's orange. He loves them chest rubs. He always has. Look at this. He just realized it was me petting him. What are you doing, pretty boy? That face on, Shy Guy. Why you got that mean face for, Shy Guy? What you got that mean face for, Shy Guy? I freaked out little scaredy cat by putting food in there for him. I freaked him out. I freaked him out, didn't I, pretty boy? God bless everybody. I'm on my way to the mountain colony to see what we got happening down there. Hopefully all the kittens are still out with me. The kitty cats love y'all and I love y'all. And never forget, Jesus Christ loves you. God bless everybody.